Hi guys, how are you? Okay. Okay, Instagram is informing my followers to join the video. So I'm waiting for you guys. Okay. Hi Kanika. Till everyone comes, I'm just playing with these filters. Hi Suji. Thank you Ira. Hi Ekta. So guys, okay, so you have seen my short videos, reels, stories what I posted about the moles 2 days back and some moles today. Come on guys, soon. I'll be actually getting more moles in 2 days. Maybe tomorrow some more moles. And some stickers. Come on. Hi Random Studio. Hi Drish. Okay guys, I'll start. Okay, I know it's the wrong time. I've come during lunchtime live. Okay, so guys, I'll start sharing the molds what I had actually restocked 2 days back. These are some jewelry molds. Okay, this is the jewelry mold. Many were asking me for jewelry molds, so I'm restocked the jewelry molds. So this is the one jewelry mold. Any crystal molds going to come? What kind of crystal molds are you asking? Yeah, Ayushi stickers. Raunik, I'm not sure what kind of crystal molds you're asking. We do have 3 different kind of crystal molds already on website. Drill is yet to come. Hi Dharni. Dharni today joined from her personal profile. Any other jewelry molds? Apurva, yes, I'm sharing you. This is the one jewelry mold. This is the another one jewelry mold. Okay, all these has a holes. Okay, so it has a space for the holes. So this one we got the ring mold back. Many of you were asking for the ring molds, so we restocked the ring molds, and already we have sold out. Some 50% of our ring mold is already sold out. UV resin Soumya, you have to wait. Ronik, you can DM me. Yes. Okay, so ring mold. Finally, small alphabet molds back in stock. Small ones. Come on guys. You guys are still joining. Okay, so small alphabet molds. I'll just keep aside what I've shown already. The 7 chakra molds. So if you guys are not clear, you get both the varieties, the flat ones and the half hemisphere. So you get both variety in a set. Okay, and this is only $5.99. You get two different shapes in it. So this is 7 chakra mold. It has engraving in it. Are you able to see the engraving? Okay, so 7 chakra mold. Then we got this new mold. It's a moon with star tray mold, and it has a good depth of 2 centimeter. Okay, moon with star tray mold. And then what else with the... Okay, so that's it with the that day's live. I'll share with you today's product. Bookmark mold back in stock. This is 14 centimeter. Need 7 chakra mold. Sindhu, you can place order on website. Sindhu, we have stock of it. Hi Anuradha. So notebook, bookmark mold, comb mold, small cute kitty comb mold, back in stock. Many comb lovers. I don't know, all of a sudden there are so many comb lovers. We are getting more stock of it, guys. One more jewelry mold, pendant earrings. See, you have two same, simultaneously you can make both together for earrings, and you have additionally, for attachment. Okay, so jewelry mold. And guys, the prices are very affordable. This is another one pendant keychain mold. You can use it as. It has a holes already. Okay, so it has a hole. Okay, this is only 250 rupees, guys. And yeah, one more jewelry mold, the leaf one. I don't remember, some time back someone was asking me for this mold. Some 2-3 people were asking. I seriously don't remember the names. I'm really sorry, but even this is available. It's in stock. Some are already updated on website, some I'm yet to update. The triangle curve mold, coaster mold, is again in stock, and it's at the very affordable price, 550 only right now. Earlier it was for 799, now it's only 550, guys. Even this is in stock right now. Then the coaster molds, we have got 4 different coaster molds back in stock. This is the one. Okay, it's just 250. Okay, and this is the another shape. Even this is 250 only. This 2 shapes, and the another two are with the holes. Okay, the bigger one and the smaller holes, and these are only 299, guys, at very reasonably price. And now for all the bangle lovers, okay, bangle lover, see, I've got the bangle molds back in stock. These are 60 mm and 56 mm, and it has a cut design to it. Okay, I'll share the picture so you will understand how it looks. And one is a broader one and the other one is thin one, so you can purchase as per your requirement. And this bangle mold is each 200 only. Okay, so 4 bangle molds, different kinds. I mean, all are cut design, but different size, 2 sizes, 60 mm and 56 mm, broader and the thinner ones. I'm sorry, I don't know if I missed anyone's comment or message. Price of what, Priya? Dry flowers, arty splash. Yes, flowers are available. Do you have cluster mold? What kind of cluster mold, Srini sir, you're asking? And stand also. What stands? Anuradha, what kind of stands? Do you have cake platter mold? Yes, I have cake platter mold, and I have fittings for it also. Dried flowers are available on website, guys. You can purchase it. Tanu, it's available. Crystal cluster mold is available on website, Srini sir. Okay, so coaster molds, done with the coaster molds. You guys have seen it. Now we are launching first time A4 size notebook mold, and this is made in India, and it's very affordable price. A4 size, you are getting it only for 750 rupees, guys. A4 size, and this is made in India. Okay, A4 size and A5 size, even this is made in India, and this is only for 350 rupees. A5. Price of the jewelry mold starts from 250 till 400. Pastel Palette Gallery, it's available on website. Possible to visit direct and purchase. Vasant, yes, we do have store in Chennai. You can come in and you can visit 11 to 5 p.m. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Shini sir. So when will you get platter knife fittings? Knife fittings is available, Smriti. Please do check on website. It's been updated. Sorry. Knife fitting is available, spatula fitting is available, molds are available. Nilaya, Do you have chain? We used to hang nameplates. I bought rings from you. Need hanger chains. Chains, I will, Nilaya, just DM me or WhatsApp me, know what kind of chains you're looking for. I'll surely try to get those. Okay, so guys, A5 size. This is made in India. And disclaimer, this do smell little, okay, comparing to the other molds what I sell. This is 350 only, A5 size, and these do smell, okay. I am giving you a disclaimer already. I don't want you saying me that this smells poorly or. And this is A4 size. Many were asking for A4 size, so we finally got the A4 notebook mold done. And this is only 750 rupees, guys, A4 size. And we did launch notebook rings. One second, I'll show to you. We have in two shades. One is chrome and one is bronze. These are the notebook rings. It's 25 mm, 10 piece for 80 rupees. And we have in bronze antique. It's in the cover. Yeah. So we have magnets also. Guys who are interested in making magnets, fridge magnets, you can check that. It's already uploaded on website. And we see these are the antique bronze. Okay. To give nice rustic look, rustic finish, people who like antique, you can add the notebook rings in antique. Okay, this is this comes 10 piece pack for 120 rupees. We have keychains also in antique. We have keychains also in chrome, and we have got additional round rings for keychains in chrome. Sorry, not chrome, it's nickel. So people who want additional, who want to have additional charms to your keychains, we've got additional rings for you. It will be uploaded on website today. So anything else I have missed which I yeah, wait one sec, I'll show you. So guys, you would have seen we had launched this beautiful agate coasters, and it is electroplated. Okay, it's very beautiful, and some even has druzy in it, natural druzy. One second, I'll show you 2-3 other agate coasters which has the. See, this is the white one. It's so pretty. Yeah, another white. See this purple. It has a druzy in it. And this is the one. See, it has a big druzy. It's a natural one. Okay, so these are electroplated, not painted, electroplated. So these are real agate coasters, not the resin made. Okay, these will be uploaded on website, and this is 350 rupees each. And I'm sorry if I have missed any comments. Address, location, Vasant. It's in RA Puram near MRC Nagar. Please inbox me or WhatsApp me, or you can find address on Google. Just search for Madras Bazaar and you will get the address location on Google. Where is your store in Chennai? Stuti, just now as I told, it's in RA Puram, MRC Nagar, before Adyar. Dry flowers available. Yes, Arts Flash dry flowers are available. Your haircut looks over. Thank you, Yogi. Yeah, finally I got my cut done. It was a long time pending work. Waiting for miniature mold. What kind of miniature mold, Anam? We have mason jars still available in miniature. We have small plates available. When are you launching stickers? Which stickers? Which stickers, Ayushi? By when mini drill machine will be restocked? Priyanka, I am also waiting. It's already in transit. I think it will take maybe a 1 week or 2 weeks. Do you have large oval shaped tray mold? Can you get it? Yogi, DM me for what size you're looking for. Mini drilling machine. Guys, drill machine, I hope it comes by next week, in 7 to 10 days. So guys, any other doubt, anything you want to know apart from what I have shown you right now, the launches? and I think I have covered everything. Yeah. Okay, so guys, when you are actually joining now, so guys, I'll just the butterfly ones, the butterfly sticker. Ayushi, the butterfly stickers are not coming now. Those are not coming. I'll be getting the thank you stickers. I think you would have already seen the thank you stickers. Okay, those will be those in thank you stickers. We are getting designs, and some are going to be restocked again, and hopefully we'll get that stock tomorrow. So I will upload that. So guys who have just joined in, I'm just sharing with you, this is the triangle coaster. Okay, and we have restocked this, and this is only at 550 rupees. The jewelry mold, this is the one design. Okay, design number 1. This is the another one. All these are restocked. Then this is the another design. This and this. So jewelry molds, 1 2 3 4 5 jewelry molds, guys. Now you don't have to tell me that you don't have jewelry mold stock. Do you have pressed flowers? Madhur Goyal, yes, we have natural dried flowers. You can check on our website by the name Natural Dried and you will get those. So guys, jewelry molds, 7 chakra mold, flat and hemisphere, both comes as a set only. You don't have to purchase individual ones. It comes as a set and it's only for 599 rupees. Small alphabet mold, small ABCD alphabet mold, and these are only 499. You get even 1 2 3 with it. Ring mold back in stock, and it's selling like hot cake. Comb mold, people who were asking for comb molds, this is the only one right now available, the small kitty comb mold. Do you have tic tac mold, small one? Tic tac mold is yet to come, it will be restocked soon. Moon and star tray mold, it has a good depth, 2 cm. Bookmark mold is already updated on website, guys. You can purchase it. Bookmark mold. Bangle molds are also updated on website. Go hop onto it, purchase it. Okay, 4 different sizes and the thickness. Okay, then the coaster mold number 1, coaster mold number 2, 3 and the 4. So coaster molds restocked. We launched notebook mold A4 size. Who all were requesting for A4 size, you guys can purchase these. It will be uploaded on website in 1 hour's time, in hopefully before 3 or 4 p.m. Okay, so notebook mold A4 size. The A4 size and this A5 size, which comes in the silver foil packing, are made in India. Okay, A4 size 750, A5 size 350. These do smell, guys, little, so I'm already telling you, these do smell comparing to the others. Okay, notebook mold done. So I'm done with all the stuffs which we had restocked and launched, and I think I was very clear, no doubts, no questions. We'll be restocking the jar molds very soon. Jar molds, the thank you stickers, maybe tomorrow itself, tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Jar molds, guys, who all were asking for jar molds, be very fast in ordering, because I'm only getting limited stock. It's very difficult to restock the jar molds. And thank you stickers will be plenty in stock. You can select and you can order those. It will be available by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Okay, that's it. Okay, thank you. Guys, order placing is only on website. I don't take order on WhatsApp or Instagram. And once you place an order, after the payment, do WhatsApp me. And for additional charges for cash on delivery apart from shipping charges, please be aware of it. And whoever places a COD order, you have to inbox me, WhatsApp me for confirmation, or else the orders are not shipped. Okay, and I think that's it. I'm done. Thank you. Bye.